Hello dear fans. What angiosperms exist? Angiosperms are higher plants, the distinguishing feature of which is the presence of a flower. About 250,000 species of angiosperms are known. Their life forms are also different: tree, shrub, grass. Instructions. Step 1. The predecessors of angiosperms are gymnosperms, the pollen of which was carried exclusively by the wind. As a result of evolution, angiosperms have acquired brightly colored flowers, a pleasant aroma, and edible nectar. All this led to pollination in a more efficient way with the help of insects. Step 2. The seeds of these plants are surrounded by a fruit that protects them from external influences. As a result of evolution, many angiosperms began to produce toxic substances that protect them from being eaten by animals. These and other factors contributed to the widespread distribution of flowering plants. Step 3. The angiosperms division includes the class dicots and the class monocotyledons, named according to the number of lobes in the seed. Monocotyledonous plants have a fibrous root system, a herbaceous stem, simple leaves, and a three-membered flower. Most of them are pollinated by the wind. Step 4. Dicotyledonous plants have a taproot system, a branching herbaceous or lignified stem, simple or compound leaves, and a five-membered flower. Most of them are pollinated by insects. Classes monocotyledonous and dicotyledonous are subdivided into families. Step 5. A large percentage of monocotyledonous plants are cultivated by humans. Cereals occupy an important place among them. Onion plants are also monocotyledonous. Bright representatives are onions, wild garlic, and garlic. Tulips, lilies, hyacinths also belong to this class. Step 6. Cereals are mostly grasses, although bamboo is an exception. These include rye, barley, wheat, oats, corn, rice. The stalk of cereals is hollow inside. Flowers are collected in spikelets. Step 7. Family Rosaceae class dicotyledonous plants are represented by fruit trees: apple, cherry, plum, pear, apricot. Others are decorative, such as a rose. There are also shrubs such as raspberries and rose hips. Step 8. The legume family is one of the largest among the angiosperms. The fruits of many of them are used for food: peas, beans, chickpeas, peanuts, soybeans. Among them there are trees, for example, white acacia, and shrubs, yellow acacia. Step 9. The family Cruciferous of the class dicotyledons gave man such important fruits as cabbage, radish, horseradish, mustard, rutabaga. There are also medicinal representatives: levkoi, matiola, beetroot. However, a large percentage of crucifers are weeds: shepherd's purse, common rape, wild radish. Step 10. Solanaceous plants are also dicotyledonous, among them potatoes, tomato, eggplant, pepper, tobacco. Some of them, black henbane, common dope, produce poison that is dangerous to humans. The Astervae family has a basket-shaped inflorescence. Its representatives are sunflower, aster, cornflower, dandelion, calendula. Thanks for watching.